Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find recently added friends on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on the avatar icon at the top right. You're going to double check if there is a newest updates on your on your App Store. If there is, just go ahead and do it. If there isn't, just move along to the next step. I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and basically what I'm gonna do, if you want to see your people that you recently added on your Snapchat, this is like a friends button. Click on the friends button on your Bitmoji at the top left. After you click on it, you're gonna be able to scroll a little bit down, see your friends. Click on see your friends, and then click the three dots on the top right corner, then hit recently added. It shows you everyone you have added within about a week or so. So that's right on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.